So thinking about the children then, obviously, when you're implementing anything like this, we want improved outcomes for children. So what, in your opinion, has been the impact on children? What about their children's mathematical understanding? What would you say about that?
I would say it's definitely, I mean, we've always had quite a good maths kind of teaching and learning ethos going on at our school anyway. But I feel like, you know, the types of questions that you guys have given to us throughout the scheme, the way that you restyle questions that are the same type of question, but in a different way, you know, when you switch things around, and it's getting them used to questions looking different. So, and also the deeper learning, I feel like the reasoning skills are much more developed now, and you know, they are delving deeper into the year, well, personally for the year 2 maths objectives, rather than going into the next year group. You're obviously meant to dive deeper, aren't you, into the current year group, and that definitely lends itself to that. And my children specifically really enjoy it when they do get onto the deeper learning. They feel like they've, you know, really achieved it, and they get excited when they move on to it. So
yeah, and they're not just they're much deeper thinkers, because they know that they can't just say the right answer. They need to know how they got there. And then I think they're more consistent then in applying that method, because they've explained it and they've spoke about it themselves, and they apply it because they're confident with it and they're able to explain it, so then they're able to use it.
Brilliant. So a number of ingredients in the scheme is working well. Being able to use the equipment and the modelling reflecting the equipment, the talk partners, the types of questions. I think you were trying to get at the variation, Charlotte, when you were saying, you know, the different types of the way questions are worded and presented to children. Yeah, so that's obviously a conscious effort on our part to encourage children to gain that deeper understanding. So that's fantastic to hear from you.